Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Excel Tech and Tricks. In this video, we are going to solve the "we found a typo in your formula and tried to correct it" to error. This error appears when typing formula in the spreadsheet cell. Thus, if you are facing the same problem, then this video will surely help you in fixing it. But before heading towards the solutions, make sure to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Now, let's move on to fix "we found a typo in your formula and tried to correct it" to error using 5 fixes. Solution 1. Evaluate the array formula. The very first solution you can try is to evaluate the array formula. Microsoft Excel offers an excellent feature known as Evaluate Formula that help you to step through the formula to check the intermediate results. To do so, select the spreadsheet cell with a formula. Click Formulas tab. Then Evaluate Formula under the group Formula Auditing. Under Opened Evaluate Formula dialog box, you have to click on Evaluate option to verify the formula and to see which portion is causing the error. Solution 2. Check the additional settings. Checking the additional settings can help you to solve "we found a typo in your formula and tried to correct it" to error. To do so, press Windows key +R to activate the Run dialog. Type Control International and press Enter or click OK. Click Additional Settings. Make sure that the decimal symbol is not the same as the list separator. Solution 3. Disable Excel add-ins. Sometimes, corrupted Excel add-ins might cause errors when editing or modifying a portion of the formula on the spreadsheet. To fix such errors, disable these add-ins. For this, go to the File, then Options, Add-ins. At the bottom, you must have Manage, Add-in. Press Go, then untick all the add-ins to disable. Close the application, and then start it usually. Solution 4. Review Excel options. Sometimes, Excel settings can cause unexpected behavior, including "we found a typo in your formula" error. To solve it, you have to review the Excel options within Formulas. For this, open the faulty Excel sheet, then go to File. Click on Options, then Formulas. Now, make sure that Enable Iterative Calculation and Enable Multi-Threaded Calculation are appropriately set. Solution 5. Use Excel Repair Tool. If you are looking for a quick way to resolve this error, then you can download the Excel Repair Tool by clicking on the link given in the description box. This software is designed with an advanced algorithm to repair all sorts of damages, corruption, and errors in the Excel file. Therefore, just try it and see how it works. So, this is all about fixing "we found a typo in your formula and tried to correct it" to error in Microsoft Excel. If you found this video useful, then give it a like, share it with other users, and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel to watch more useful videos. Thanks for watching.